Hello friends, in our previous video we learned the concept of Pythagoras theorem and also the concept of Pythagorean triplet. We also know that Pythagorean triplet consists of three numbers, and what are these three numbers? These three numbers are the lengths of three sides of a right angle triangle, and amongst all these three numbers, which one is the longest one? The third one, that is the length of the hypotenuse. Okay, today we are going to solve some examples based on Pythagorean triplet, and we are going to find out the Pythagorean triplet by using general formula. Okay, so now let's read the first example. Example 1. Find a Pythagorean triplet whose smallest member is 8 for every m greater than 0, that is m should be positive and it should be an even integer. Okay, we know that the general formula for finding the Pythagorean triplet consists of three numbers made up of m. Okay, here m is given as positive integer and it is an even integer. So in this case, for finding the Pythagorean triplet, we are going to use the general formula for an even integer. Okay, so what is the general formula for finding the Pythagorean triplet for an even integer m? Okay, for a positive even integer m, it is 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1. Okay, where 2m is the smallest one, m square minus 1 is the middle one, and m square plus 1 is the longest one. Okay, so if we consider the lengths of all three sides of a right angle, then 2m and m square minus 1 will be the lengths of the right angle making sides. Okay, and m square plus 1 will be the length of hypotenuse. Okay, so 2m is the smallest one, and if you read this example carefully, अगर आप लोगों ने ये example easily read किया तो आपको ये समझ में आएगा कि smallest member is given as 8. सबसे छोटा वाला member जो है वो दिया है 8. And according to our formula, what is the smallest member? छोटा वाला member क्या है? 2m. Okay, so according to the condition given in the example, we have 2m is equal to 8. Okay, because they have given that smallest member, that is सबसे छोटा वाला member 8 है. So हमारे पास 2m is equal to 8 है. This implies m will be, that is we have to solve this equation in m. Okay, so after solving we get m is equal to 8 upon 2 which is equal to 4. So हमें क्या मिला? The value of m as 4. ओके, अभी m का वैल्यू मिलने के बाद हम लोग आराम से m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 विल बी 4 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 बिकॉज m का वैल्यू क्या है? 4. ओके, विच इज इक्वल टू 4 स्क्वायर यू नो 16. So 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. So हमें क्या मिला? m square minus 1 15. Okay, now we can calculate m square plus 1 also. Okay, so m square plus 1 will be 4 square plus 1 which is equal to 16 plus 1 which is equal to 17. तो तीसरा मेंबर भी हमें मिल गया, वो है 17. Okay, so now we have 2m which is already given in the example, and we calculated m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 also. So our Pythagorean triplet, हमारा Pythagorean triplet हो गया 8, 15, 17. ओके इस तरह से हमें पाइथागोरन ट्रिपलेट फाइंड आउट करने के एग्जाम्पल्स करने चाहिए। क्या यूज़ करके? तो जनरल फॉर्मूला अगर दिया रहेगा तो, और कैसे? अगर जनरल फॉर्मूला में m की वैल्यू 0 से बड़ी, दैट इज पॉजिटिव वैल्यू, एंड इवन इंटीजर दिया तो हम लोग ये फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो in our next video also we will be solving some more examples of this type only. Till then, goodbye and take care.